Okay, now it's time to assemble our eggplant parmigiana. We've already got that thin layer of sauce on the bottom to protect it. And so now here's how it goes. We'll evenly layer, put one layer of eggplant on the bottom here. Kind of mix and match around as you can. Kind of like a jigsaw puzzle. So just go ahead and layer those in like this. Nice little piece there. Okay. And then we're going to add a little more sauce to the top of this. We got plenty. That'll protect this portion. Go over the top of each one. Add that extra flavor. And we're going to use half of our mozzarella on the top here. Again, this is going to melt through, so it doesn't have to be on the top of each one exactly. You can go just like this. Just in between. This will really spread out when it starts to melt. The textures are so good on this. And again, I like a little bit of sauce over the eggplant itself. And the rest of our mozzarella. It's going to be nice and gooey.